Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a home office room tour. I've glammed up my home office and I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy. My home office is a place that I spend a lot of my time, and I do a lot of things in here, from creating YouTube videos to being creative, taking photographs, as well as running the household and paying bills. I spend a lot of my time here in my home office. As not many people come in this room, I wanted it to be decorated just like Shell would love it. My husband very rarely comes in here, so my theme was going to be very, very glam. I recently updated my gallery wall and I'm really loving black and white at the moment, guys. So you'll see here, this is my DIY Chanel floral canvas that I recently uploaded, and I love how it tied in perfectly with all the black and white pictures that I have with Chanel and Audrey Hepburn. I also added my prints from Vintage Chic Diva, and I did a video about them which I'll leave linked down below. They have the most gorgeous prints, guys. If you love glam decor like me, I definitely recommend that you check out Vintage Chic Diva. Most of these canvases of Audrey Hepburn, guys, I picked up from a store here in Australia called the Red Dollar Store. The Coco Chanel canvas is from TK Maxx, as well as this bling round mirror from TK Maxx. Underneath my gallery wall, I have this little mirrored shoe cabinet, and on the top I have these two silver vases, also from TK Maxx, and this little Eiffel Tower. I picked that up last Christmas. It was actually a Christmas decoration, and I just took the little hook off. Main feature wall, I have this beautiful damask wallpaper. Now guys, I picked this up a few years ago from a store here in Australia called Masters, and they recently closed down. But I can tell you that this is a York wallpaper, so if you enter damask wallpaper by York by Google, you should still be able to find it. Then this glam mirror also happened to be from that store that closed down, but I'll leave a link down below if I can find something very similar for you. My couch is from Fantastic Furniture, and I've decorated it with some glam pillows. The leopard print ones are from TK Maxx, as well as the throw, and this eyelash cushion is from My Lash Design on Instagram, and the silver sequin cushions are from Spotlight Australia. My rug is from Pillow Talk Australia, and then under my window is my desk. That is from Fantastic Furniture as well. I have my little ghost chair, and I recently picked up last Friday, guys, this adorable little I Woke Up Like This cushion from TK Maxx. On my desk, I have this little rose planner. Now this is from Kmart Australia, and on my back wall I have the matching prints, which are also from Kmart. Then above that is my Never Stop Dreaming card from my beautiful friend Miss Betsy Ann. If you're not following Betsy Ann, please go do so. I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel and Instagram down below. I also have this pink furry planner that I picked up from the store Colette, and I absolutely love it. This is where I actually sit and I write down all my ideas for YouTube. everyone for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed my glam home office tour. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to add a little bit of glam to your very own home office. So don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon as I've just started filming some wonderful fall DIY projects for you. So they'll be coming up in the next few days. So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.